Okay, I'm back for another video. This one is going to be a tutorial on how to get into the Queen's Garden and do the flower quest without using either Shade Cloak, or Isma's Tear. Because those are the two most primary ways, and if I check my map, I will show you right here. So, follow this silver marker right here. So, this is the primary strategy. Once you are in here and get your delicate flower, I already did this because this is my 300 plus hour, save file. And you get this. Now, once you go down into the elevator, you reach the cot. This is the first part of hell, and in order to do this, you must go down, go in, and then you reach here. Instead of going down, you must go further left until you reach the first of many elevators. Climb up this elevator, you'll go up here. Now, you see this silver marker? This leads to the Fungal Waste, and once you reach the Fungal Waste, well, boom, now you just have to keep going left and not get hit. And you can see the nice silver marker. And here's the kicker. So basically, if you look around, you'll see a few of these areas. So, the gold ones you see here are areas that you can access without using either of the power-ups, but only one of these can actually be accessed, and without doing any of this, because both of them are shortcuts, and that here is Deepness. Deepness is a very peculiar place in order to get to, and once you reach here, you're able to simply go through here. You can either go through with the tram, you can kill the Mantis Lords, so that's where the blue cocoon is. You can go up into through the fungal core, not recommended. Or you can if you want a more direct path, you can just go through the top one next to where the other gold marker is, because, well, that's simply a more direct path, and you can just go down through this cavernous maze, up, down, through, up, forward, down, on past the tram, down, up through this hell, go up, climb up, back, up, down, go up, make the ascent, go up, reach the marker, enter Queen's Gardens, up, right, down, up, over, curve, over, and boom, boom, stag, up, and there is your main goal, which is this red one here. Another method is to go through here, the Queen Stations, go up, Fog Canyon, keep going up, dash to the right, and you'll find the massive moss charger. It's a boss, and you can kill that. Once you do that, you're able to go here, through this, make the shortcut, and then if you do this and go all the way up here, where you probably should do anyways, because there's a boss there. It's called the Trader Lord. It's really cool. And up here is a little grub, and you can make the shortcut and also find a dream stock. That's pretty much all. And here you can just, go through here, make the charade, go through this annoying-ass hallway, and then go down, and boom, there it is the shortcut we are going to be using for this video. And yes, because this is no longer a challenge run, other than just I cannot use Isma's Tear or Shade Cloak, or just generally dashing until the end, I am pretty much just stuck with this. I should probably turn on the volume now. Okay, so basically, this is here. It's in the resting ground catacombs. Make sure to stock up on Estus. Haha, funny Dark Souls joke is funny because culture and stuff. Anyways, as you continue, you will keep going, and instead of going past the elevator, which you'll need to shortcut, which you'll need for later, instead you're going to just keep going down into the into the City of Tears. This is where it gets a bit awkward to do, but it works. This is just a tutorial, so I don't really care about getting hit. And since I don't even have the delicate flower on me, because it's all the way in Queen's Gardens, I'm not going to trek back there, because, you know, it's effectively just doing the entire challenge, but reversed. Which is debatably harder, if you think about it. These guys die in one hit due to a few factors, primarily the Great Slash, and the, Now, here is a very awkward situation. So, basically, now that you're in King Station, which is a very peculiar area, you can either go through here, past all these giant sentries that deal 2 damage and are really hard to kill, or you can just Crystal Dash through the entire thing. Just, boom. It's not a challenge anymore. I don't need to suffer. It's just a tutorial. So, go past, don't go to the Ancient Basin, kill all these stupid husks. Okay. Look at my soul, you'll see it's depleting. That's because I'm using a very mediocre charm called Glowing Moon. Pretty much all of the charms here are mediocre but relatively cheap, and that's what makes the passive build so good. The passive build is a very niche thing in this game because no one uses it, and put simply, as you go on, you'll find charms that are basically just pets. These pets will progressively help you throughout the game. So the current loadout of charms here is, probably should have shown this earlier, it is, okay, almost got hit there. Anyways, it is the NMG for the sake of speed, and Nail Lights basically scale with nothing. Glowing Loom, it steals a bit of soul, but it gives you a really solid aerial attack that automatically tracks. Weaver Song, which is just little spider babies. Grimchild, I don't even want to get into how you get this, it's just so complicated. Grub Song, you free some grubs. Wayward Compass, it just shows you where you are on the map. Dream Wielder, it just increases the speed of Dream Nail, which I don't really need at the moment. And, Sprint Master, it increases the speed of you and your little spider babies. Also, Grub Song gives you soul whenever the spider babies attack. They're called, Weaverlings in the lore, but no one really cares. You see how quick this is? That's what you call very lazy gameplay. You just walk. With a proper loadout, this game is just delegated to a basic walking simulator. Just aggro, let the babies kill everyone. Boom. See how I got like 3 soul each hit? That's what Grub Song does. I mean, like, in order to actually use it, you're going to need a lot of hits, about 4 each, because of the fact that, well, stupidly, you're not really supposed to, use it. It's, really dumb. It's really dumb stuff. Okay, here is where I am at the map. You'll see that I'm almost on the way to the Fungal Waste. The Wee Railings just shred through everything. They don't deal much damage, but they help. Okay. Now here, you're going to need to get up here. It's not really that hard. Now you're going to need to Desolate Dive through there. You should probably open up these shortcuts. Way easier to do than just troughing through the entire thing. Oops. Well, anyways, here's the fungal waste. You just kinda go down, then right. It's pretty simple stuff, really. Jump over this. Don't engage. It's really annoying. Okay, killed that. Fungal waste is actually a pretty dangerous area if you don't know what you're doing. And now, it's just another walking simulator. You just go past here. You can open up a shortcut just up ahead. Probably should have anyways, since you're kinda in a pickle at the moment. No, just kill those. Okay, this is a part that you're probably gonna need Isma's Tears for, but since I just have a lot of mobility options, it's not really a problem. And a lot of Geo, like, Jesus Christ, that's a lot of Geo. Okay. Now, down here is the Deepness Shortcut, like I showed earlier. And, by this phase in the game where you actually do need to use the delicate flower, those probably have already died, so, not really gonna indulge in that. Just keep walking. Okay, now would be a good point to show my map. And, there's two ways to do this. The hallway down there is impossible because it just really wants you to dash, and there's a lot of enemies. So, we're doing the equally hard way, where you just keep going and kill a ton of mantis youths. These things basically are run killers without dash at all, so, yeah, this is gonna be fun. Just run past all these guys. Just don't even engage, they're just hell. And, here's the part where you're probably gonna die a lot. Well, not really die, just get hit a lot. It's just... boom. Good. Crap. Well, good thing I don't have a delicate flower on me, so, yeah, this is totally possible, just really annoying. Which is pretty much just the entire game at this point. You just go past that. Go down here. Now this is the part where you have to dash. You probably won't have shade dash anyways. Though you probably should, considering the fact that this is frickin' Queen's Gardens. And yeah, this is the delicate flower quest.